Here and switch gears back home. An argument on Twitter about a new black conservative magazine. Argument turned into much more. The controversy all started when the senior editor at Ebony.com dismissed the launch of that magazine with a tweet that read in part, I already have drinking games in mind. When Rafi Williams with the Republican National Committee tweeted that he hoped that Jamilah Lemieux, the senior editor, would encourage diversity of thought, Lemieux then fires back. Oh, great. Here comes a white dude telling me how to do this black thing. Well, part of the issue is that Rafi Williams from the Republican National Committee, to whom the tweet was addressed, is black. The GOP in a letter called for an apology, and Ebony apologized, saying, quote, nearly 70 years ago, this magazine began on the principle that as black people, we are all somebody. We all count. Thursday, the spirit of this mission was disregarded by Ebony.com senior editor Jamilah Lemieux in a personal Twitter exchange between herself and RNC Deputy Press Secretary Rafi Williams. Rafi Williams joins me live now, Deputy Press Secretary for the Republican National Committee. Let's start there, sir. Are you satisfied with Ebony's apology?
Well, I thought Ebony did a very gracious and sincere apology. I really appreciated it, and I do accept their apology full-heartedly.
Also, just why did you chime in on that tweet anyway? Were you trolling? Were you trying to bait her?
No, I wasn't at all, Craig. What actually had happened is another reporter said, oh, I want to learn more, and so they attached me to their tweet, so then it became up onto my radar. And then when she said that, she said a response, oh, I don't want to know more. She CC'd me on the tweet, so I was brought into the conversation. I didn't go looking for a fight.
You are a high-profile black conservative in America. How has that gone for you?
You know, it's been amazing the amount of support I've gotten from different people. Even liberals have supported me in terms of respecting the idea of diversity of thought, the idea that I can have my own thoughts and that I don't need to be a Democrat if I'm black. I think it's been very important, and I like to talk about a lot with people, and the reception's been terrific.
Has it all been terrific, or do you get a fair amount of this on Twitter?
Occasionally I'll get somebody saying something stupid, but you know, to me, I just have to let that roll off my shoulders, and I have to continue to do my work and continue to do what I think is best for the country and try to move the country forward.
Do you think that black conservatives typically get a fair shake in the African American and the mainstream media? Well,
I think it depends really on who you're talking to. Different reporters are different. I don't like to put anybody in one monolithic category here. And I think some people are mean to black conservatives, but a lot of times you have people that are understanding and want to learn more about, well, you know, most black people aren't Republicans, so why? How did you become a Republican? You know, what are the steps that you took? And so those reporters I love to deal with.
One of the things that struck a lot of folks, I think, was the fact that, you know, I guess she looked at your avatar and just thought, oh, he's a white dude. Does that happen a fair amount?
You know, actually, that's the first time that's ever happened to me. But, you know, changing avatars, so you never know which one's going to be there on a given day.
All right, Rafi, thank you so much for stopping by, and I do appreciate your time.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, Rafi Williams, Republican National Committee.